Welcome back, everybody. We're going to do a quick video on when you should do your maintenance on your new Nissan Rogue. Now, before we get started, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, we're going to have tons of content on the Rogue, and we already have tons of content over on the channel. Thumbs up and notification bell are also appreciated. So this question comes up a lot on new cars. So in my wife's instance, she doesn't drive her car that much. So in November, we'll be at a year, and she'll be nowhere even near the actual scheduled maintenance interval. Now, the scheduled maintenance actually has a month term on it and or a mileage on it, so you can go on whichever one makes the most sense for you. And of course, doing maintenance on your vehicle and checking things out is always good, and it's cheap insurance. So if you want to change your engine oil early, you most certainly can. Now, there's another big debate as to should I change the engine oil at 500 miles, 1,000 miles when it's brand new and get into that? Well, technically you can, and I do in most vehicles, but to be honest with you, in a lot of the vehicles in the past, we just followed the actual maintenance schedule, but changed the oil just a smidge earlier, but we didn't always necessarily do that on just my wife's vehicles. Now, my heavy-duty trucks, we change it early, and I've always been way ahead of that. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. So inside your guys' glove box, most likely, you should have got your owner's manual. Good place to start is in the very back, around 500 section for the 2025. And you can see right here, 3,750 miles. And all they're saying is really is the tire, they're calling it essentials, meaning that needs to be done is the tire rotation. We're only at 2,600 miles, so we're not going to do that quite yet. And then it's just basically inspection stuff. So whether you were going to have a dealer do it or you're going to do it, you certainly can kind of get in there and look at these things while you're underneath there and just look around and check fluids. You should always be checking the fluids in your underhood area anyway. They're all mostly clear, so you really don't have to do a whole lot with those except for checking your oil with the dipstick. But we have our coolant reservoir and our intercooler reservoir, so you're always just checking those and making sure those are good. Now again, we have this elevated on some ramps right now because we're going to have a oil change video how-to here coming up, so you most certainly can. Now, if you do the regular intervals right here, it basically says that you don't even need to replace your engine oil until 7,500 miles or 12 months. We're not at either one of those intervals, but I thought it'd be a good time to do it just because it is kind of in that break-in period and everything like that. Now, if you have severe use maintenance, that's where you would plug in these extra things. And then it carries on and carries on is when you're supposed to do it. So you can follow this to the T to keep your manufacturer warranty. Or you can over maintenance the vehicle, meaning check things often, change your oil more often. I still think that we've had more engine problems when we switched to this high mileage type interval. The 7,500 miles seems like a lot of miles, especially on a little engine like this little guy that gets hot. So I'd encourage you to think about, especially your very first oil change, if you get it due through the dealership or you get the free one that's scheduled through them, is to go ahead and do it early. Now, sometimes they might say, well, you're not that interval, so they may not want to do it, but you as a consumer can just say, well, I know, I just want my free oil change done now and stay up on the game, especially if you're not a person that drives your vehicle all that much. So when to change it? Well, follow at least the manufacturer thing, and if you're going to do it yourself, make sure you keep your receipts. And guys, if you want to know how to do it, there will be a video coming right up on how to change the 2024-2025 Nissan Rogue engine oil. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.